Hey guys, after cleaning up the garden, it's time to start preparing the garden for this year's crops. To plant again for this year, 2025, small plants and seedlings will have a hard time growing if the soil is really hard. So basically just mixing the soil on the bottom, because the previous plant from last year's roots would have made the soil really hard. So it'll make it harder for the plants this year to grow. So I just need to slightly turn the soil up and down so it's easier for the new plants to grow. And through the process of that, we can also take some excess weeds out, which will also help the new plants. My grandparents also visited during this time, and my granddad also likes working in the garden, so he helped me a lot too. These are the two trees I have, the plum on the left side and the pear on the right side, which started flowering and leafing very vigorously after the cold snap ended, really quickly as well. Even though the entire garden wasn't ready yet, we decided to plant our peppers because this area didn't need much change and it was already ready to go. So we just planted a couple peppers. We got some Home Depot, which were a banana pepper, jalapeno, and a couple bell peppers since we use that a lot. I also planted the bird's eye pepper, which I grew from seed myself, and I got the seeds from one of the peppers that I got from the store, since these weren't available at stores. My granddad also helped by adding a couple different flowers near the ends of the garden bed, which looked really nice. Gardening doesn't mean just having fruits and vegetable plants in your garden. We like to add tons of flowers here and there because it'll really spark up the garden. So here we are adding flowers all around our patio. So throughout the year, it'll create a nice, vibrant look. Like for you, I'll plant moringa here again, but I'll plant like only 3. Last time I planted 3 moringas everywhere. Other than the store-bought plants, I also planted a bird's eye chili, which I got the seeds just from a small bird's eye chili that I got from the store, and I started these inside, and I planted these as well. My dad also bought a couple trellises, which we could use for all sorts of vinings, like melons, even ridge guards, and other things I want to climb. How high?
No matter. 1 inch above this thing. 1 inch above it.
That's it. We also did some pre-potting for any potted plants, and what my granddad's doing here is just putting some leaves at the bottom, because this not only will save some space for soil, but it'll decompose and add nutrients as we go into the year. As much as we love planting outdoors, if you've seen our indoor planting video, there's many plants we like to keep inside as well. One of them is this croton plant that we repotted because it got too big and moved it back inside again, because plants like these look really decorative inside and they don't need much sunlight in the first place. That's it for the prep work. I'll see you guys in the next video where we start the real planting.